Alright, let me hook up the chutes for you. Alright, we'll get this concrete poured. Check it out. It's the Bruder Mac cement truck. Oh, so cool. Look how big it is. Look at that. It's huge. This can really mix some cement. Let's go in and check it out. Should we start at the front? There's our Mac. Got the little Mac dog here. Let's look at the cab. Hey there, driver. Let's get you out. Steering wheel, seats, tires. Oh, let's check out the engine. Undo a clip here. Undo a clip on the other side. Oh wow. Look, it's just like the real thing. Big Mac truck engine. That is so cool. This is the bit that we all want. The cement mixing bit. Or do you call it a concrete mixer? We got here. See this part here? Turn it. And the wheel spins. Drum spins. That's so cool. Look at all the details. Let's check out the back. So we've got a hose, a ladder, little hose here to wash it out. The mixture of cement goes in there. As the barrel turns, it mixes it. And then as it turns, it comes out the chute down here. But it doesn't touch the ground. Oh no! That's where we get this. These are little extensions. These make the chute longer. There's another one as well. There's two on this Bruder. Look at that, almost touches the ground. So how about we pack this up, we grab our driver, we drive to a new place. There's our place we're going to pour some concrete. Alright, let's park the truck up. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, that looks a good spot. Let's get the driver out and get him all sorted. Come on, out you come. Alright. So I think we only need one chute for this one. Cool. So remember, concrete goes in the top. We're going to use these. So if you turn it counterclockwise, which is to the left, it mixes it and it will not come out. it just spins, nothing comes out. But if you turn it to the right or clockwise, out it comes. Alright, check it out. It's garbage truck day. Oh, we've got a Playmobil garbage truck and a Bruder Toys garbage truck. Check it out. Let's look at the Playmobil one first, shall we? Oh, it's got a siren on top. No, it's not one of those sirens. It's just to let you know that they're operating. Oh, let's look at the back. See on top, there's like a little, you can open it so you can see all the garbage inside. Oh, there's no garbage yet. We'll have to fix that. Let's close that. Take around the back. Oh, garbage goes in there. Hook it up there. It's up. Oh, that's cool. Let's look at the front of the truck. Oh, the garbage men are here. Hey guys, let's take this off. Oh, you got two drivers. Hey there. Hey guys, can you tell me about the garbage truck? Oh look, there's a fire extinguisher and a walkie-talkie. Oh, let's see the engine. Check out that engine. Oh, that's so cool. It's a cool garbage truck. Hey guys, should we put some garbage in it? Alright, let's do it. Oh, hang on, we need someone to drive the garbage truck. Someone gonna drive it for me? Okay, you hop in the driver's seat. Oh, cool. What about you? What are you gonna do? You're gonna go get the garbage ready? Alright, let's go. This one first. Alright, let's bring the garbage truck ready. Alright, let's wheel over the garbage bin. Alright, you stand there. Okay, let's open the lid. Slides back like that. Phew-wee, stinky garbage. Alright, let's hook it up. Clips in place. Like that. This lever. Lift it up. And it goes. Oh, that's so cool. Let's try it another one. Clips on, unclips. Put it back. Put the lid back on. Right, let's get the other one. Ooh, little bin. What's in here? Ah, stinky fish. Poo-wee. Alright. So you see this little front bit here? It just clips in. Alright, up we go. Stinky fish. Get in there, stinky fish. Alright, let's unclip that. You fell over. Up you get. Alright, so how do we get it out? Let's have a look inside. So you lift this up. And there's all your garbage. So when you get to your rubbish dump, or your tip, this lifts up. Out comes all the garbage. How cool's that? If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!